Understanding Nature's Curveball, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, nature's curveball. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English comprehension and expression. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idioms, this video will help you grasp the essence of this intriguing expression. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of nature's curveball. At its core, nature's curveball refers to an unexpected challenge or obstacle that comes from natural events or conditions. The term curveball itself originates from baseball, where it describes a pitch that moves in an unpredictable path, making it difficult for the batter to hit. When we apply this concept to nature, it symbolizes how life can sometimes throw us unforeseen difficulties that are not easy to handle or predict. Examples of nature's curveball can include sudden natural disasters like earthquakes or floods, unexpected weather changes ruining plans, or even a global pandemic. These events are out of our control and require us to adapt, showing the unpredictable and often challenging aspect of nature. The word curveball is not just used in the context of nature. It's a versatile term used in various idioms to depict surprises or challenges in life. By understanding how curveball is used in other expressions, you can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension of English idioms. For instance, saying someone threw a curveball in a conversation means they introduced a surprising topic or question that was not expected, showcasing the flexibility of this baseball term in everyday language. To fully grasp the idiom, let's look at how it can be incorporated into sentences. We had everything planned for our outdoor wedding, but nature's curveball came in the form of a sudden thunderstorm. The farmers were expecting a bountiful harvest, but nature's curveball resulted in a severe drought. Just when we thought we had seen it all, 2020 threw us nature's curveball with a global pandemic. Using nature's curveball in sentences like these can help convey the concept of unexpected natural challenges, enriching your English expression and making your speech more vivid and engaging. I hope this video has shed light on the intriguing idiom, nature's curveball. Understanding and using such expressions can not only improve your English language skills but also help you appreciate the nuances and richness of the language. Remember, life is full of curveballs, but it's how we adapt and respond to these challenges that truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep practicing, and don't let nature's curveballs keep you from achieving your language learning goals.